Well, here I am at, okay, I'm going to say it the way I see it, Hiccups. We're going to stop by, get a drink and maybe a little something to eat. This Hiccups is located on Carson Street, not too far from City Hall on Carson Street, in Carson, City of Carson, California. So let's go inside and see what we can grab. Uh-oh, they're playing music. Store hours. Okay. Let's head on in. Let's see. Let us know ho ho ho. Okay, here's the drinks. Here's the drinks, and let's see, we got slushes, fruity, fruity booty. And then over here we got appetizers. I guess they're not serving the wings. Oh, they got fried rice. Ooh, cool. Signature popcorn, shaken chicken, shaken beef, barbecue pork with rice, garlic noodles, pho, stir-fried noodles, tofu shrimp, pad seaweed, pad thai. Yeah, okay. Sounds good. We might go with the fried rice shrimp. And let's see. Too late for coffee, anything. Smoothies, cookies and cream. Yeah, cookies and cream. That sounds good. Strawberry deliciousness. Okay. Fried rice shrimp. Hello. Oh, for here.
What can I give you?
Yeah, this would be the fried rice shrimp.
Okay.
And the to drink the where is it? The mocha something. Where did it go? Oh no, that's not it. It's not on this one. Oh, here it is. The cookies and cream. Yeah, cookies and
Did you
cream.
want boba with cream?
Yeah, with cream's alright. Make it fancy. That's okay.
Boba?
What's boba?
It's like the black tapioca stuff. Have you had it before?
No.
No? Okay, then I don't recommend it.
What does it look like here?
Oh, there's none in there.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's fine then. Yeah.
Anything else for you?
Nah, that'll be it.
Okay, perfect. Go ahead for me.
Okay.
12.
7, 12. I think she got to give me the receipt.
I have your drink.
Oh, do I grab the receipt? Oh. Receipt. Hiccups. That's how it's pronounced, right? Hiccups? Yeah. I want to make sure I said it right. Alrighty.
Hello, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, the receipt. Thank you. Just take a seat by the window. Fancy. I don't know, we might get in trouble with the music. We'll see. Look. I'll show you the drink right quick. And then maybe we'll start off with the receipt early. And then when the food get here, we'll continue with the food. When the cover closes the filming stops. Okay, I'll be right back. See you guys later. Wait until the food gets here. Food's here. Look great. Shrimp fried rice and mocha something or other. Looking good. This is a shrimp fried rice plate. Alright, line. Yeah, this is a lot of rice. Smells great. Soy sauce. What's this one? Chin breads. Oh, this is a soy sauce. This mocha is really good. Nice and frosty, cold. I'm gonna try to do as much as I can with the music off. Wow. Looks like they have a station for, I don't know, is that water? Let me see if that's water. It's for water. So you got some water if you want. This is very good. That's really good. Tad salty, but you know, with fried rice, you know, they do put quite a bit of salt, but it tastes good. Okay. Green onion, eggs, of course. Really nice. Shrimp. Nice plump pieces. It's very good. I would totally recommend it. Pickups. They have a few of them around, you know, not just in South Bay, but you know, LA and Orange County. This is a nice stop, you know, near where I live. Just down the street from City Hall. Across streets would be Carson Street and Avalon Boulevard. So the restaurant is west of Avalon. Okay, I'm gonna tear this up, and then see you back after I'm done. Another winner. winner chicken dinner. No, the shrimp fried rice and the what was it? Something in cream. I forgot the name of it already. But it tastes great. So yeah, I recommend. I'm sure I'll be stopping by, especially during the summer, because the drinks are nice. Well, this drink anyway is nice and cool. I like it. So another stop, another place you can try. You can mark on your list of places to try if you're interested in, you know, like an Asian fusion type location. I solidly recommend it. So this is me again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.